After almost 6 months of introducing the MacBook Air 2019, I finally have the time to unbox it. And ta-da! This is the rose gold version. I've seen people reviewing it, I've seen people unbox it, and I'm super excited to check out this MacBook Air 2019. So let's do it. Ow, I hurt my hand, but it's okay, let's go. Okay, so let's whip it out. And the satisfaction begins. Okay, this is the 13-inch MacBook Air. And just like the previous generation, it also comes with a 1.6 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 processor. And this one comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of SSD storage. And if you are interested, this is actually priced at 5,499 ringgit. But if you don't want so many storage, there's also another version, the base version, that comes with 128 gigs of storage, and it is priced at 4,699 ringgit. Shall we open box? Shall we open box? Shall we open the box? Let's do it. Oh my god, look at the color. Look at this! Oh, it's actually quite heavy. I was expecting a bit lighter. Look at this. Okay, let's put aside first. I see gold Apple stickers, people. Manuals. Oh, hallelujah. Look at this. It's so pretty. Okay, manuals, nobody will read that. More manuals. And you get a power adapter. Let's rip this off. Oh. Wow, they wrap it really hardcore. Okay, let me put this. Ta-da! This is actually a USB-C power adapter, and it supports 30 watt. Then we have the cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. I think that's about it, right? And now let's whip off the MacBook. And this is the MacBook Air. Let's take it off. It is so beautiful, look at this, the color. I would choose this anytime over space grey. I'm sorry, space grey fan, but I love this color so much. There's a paper inside. What? No battery? So, do I need to charge?
Of course.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, so now we are charging our MacBook Air. Sorry, we ran out of battery just now. And I finished setting up the computer. Let's talk about this device. So let's check out the ports first. At the right side, you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the left side, you will find 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. And then when it comes to its processor, it is still running on the same processor as the previous generation MacBook Air. It is still a 1.6 GHz dual-core i5 processor. What I've always loved about Apple MacBook is its trackpad. It is always large and it's very accurate. So what's new on the MacBook Air 2019? Well, first up is its display. While it still retains the 30-inch screen size, the new MacBook Air now features True Tone, which you can find on newer iPads, iPhones, as well as the MacBook Pro. This changes the color temperature on your screen based on the lighting around you. And as always, you can expect sharp and vibrant colors on the latest MacBook Air. There's also the 3rd generation butterfly keyboard, but you don't have the touch bar that you'll find on the MacBook Pro. But you do have the backlit keyboard, which is good to have. And this time around, the MacBook Air 2019 also comes with Touch ID, so that means you can use your fingerprint to unlock this device. And with the latest macOS Catalina, you can now turn your iPad into the second display with Sidecar. So that means you can use native as well as third-party apps on your iPad, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and so much more. So let me teach you how to do it. So all you basically have to do is to click on System Preferences on your Mac, then click on Sidecar. Then click on Devices under Connect to and select your iPad from the list. And remember that both your MacBook and iPad must be using the same iCloud in order for you to use Sidecar. So that's it, that's my brief unboxing of the MacBook Air 2019. So if I missed anything or any feature, please leave them down in the comments below so I can read them. And as always, if you like this video, remember to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you'll stay updated to our future videos. And remember to watch 2 of our videos right over here, and another one over here. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye!